Soon the jury will decide if Dynel Lane planned to steal Michelle Wilkins' unborn baby.
The defense rested its case quickly this morning, never calling a single witness. Denver 7 reporter Brendaliss Gonzalez was following the trial today.
And this happened right after the court heard a chilling taped confession from Lane. Brendaliss.
Yeah, she couldn't fight back the tears. This is the first time the jury heard from Lane from a recording taken after when she first spoke with police on the day the attack happened. I spoke to an attorney who says he isn't surprised the defense didn't have anything to say after a testimony like this one.
I didn't know what to do.
Dynel Lane wiped the tears from her face as she listened to the tape prosecutors played in court of her interview with police. She originally claimed self-defense, saying Michelle Wilkins pulled a knife on her.
She wouldn't stop, and it just seemed like every time I would kind of get leverage, she would come at me again.
Prosecutors are certainly going to argue that this claim of self-defense is manipulative.
Attorney David Beller says Lane's testimony is key for prosecutors and isn't surprised her attorneys chose not to call anyone to the stand.
It's not up to the defense to disprove anything.
He thinks the closing argument will be key for the defense.
The defense is going to be asking the jury to find Miss Lane guilty. They're just going to be asking her to be found guilty of something less than what the prosecution has charged.
And then having the jury hear Lane explain why she took the baby from Wilkins' womb.
When she stopped moving, I started thinking I didn't want the baby to die too, so I got the knife that she had, and I tried to get the baby out.
Is exactly what prosecutors want.
It was very strategic. It was very much calculated to have the jury leave for the weekend with that on their mind.
Attorneys are set to give closing arguments on Monday. The case could be handed to the jury to decide sometime that day. Reporting live in the studio, Brendaliss Gonzalez, Denver 7.